What's up? I'm about to start prepping this fender and the bumper for, well, basically right now, just to finish this dent repair that we started and strip this little sticky stuff off, repair this, just prep it and get it all ready. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Update on the charger rebuild. Okay, so yeah, we did this. We prepped and primed. Whoop, we did that. We painted. We got a bit of video of that. We clear coated. We ran out of footage on that one, so we don't have that, but that's all done. I'll show you in a second. We're still working on the ABS, traction control light. Check out these panels here. Looking pretty good. Yep. Anyways, those are all clear coated. So dope. Oh yeah, right. I got a bunch of stuff in the mail too. Spoiler. Yep. Door hinge I was waiting for. A lower bumper splash cover thing I was waiting for. So we got everything that we were waiting for, and then also we bought a parts car. take interior from a nicer car, and also just the parts are getting to be too expensive, and I found this parts car for relatively cheap. Actually a super cheap price, because it was out in the middle of nowhere. It was a total loss vehicle, and in Davidson, Saskatchewan, salvage bids or whatever. No one wanted to bid on it. I won the bid at $1,000, and just the tax over $1,000 basically hit on the front end, but besides that, everything is good. The interior is actually nice. That's basically why we bought it. So there you go. Look, nice center console, shifter, 8.4-inch touchscreen, steering wheel that's not all like bagged apart and ripped and stuff. Like, I need to get a... We're gonna take that wheel, we're gonna use the screen, we're gonna use the dash bezel, we're maybe gonna swap the shifter, we're definitely gonna take the center console, we're gonna take the carpet, we're gonna take the floor mats. Oh man, we're basically gonna use it all. Anything that I don't like in that cop car will get switched to this nicer version. So, and oh yeah, also I figured out that the ABS light on the cop car that we're rebuilding is because of the ABS motor is broken or just not functioning properly. And the parts car uses the same one. Even though it's a 6-cylinder, it still uses the same. And that's this guy right here. So we're gonna swap those around and hopefully make that work. And there's, like I already pointed out, a bunch of stuff that we're gonna use, but we're gonna use a bunch more stuff from there too. So awesome. That was just an update, and we're gonna probably get a bunch more action in this video of me doing all that stuff. So right on, man. Peace. What's up, guys? I'm just about to remove the bad ABS hydraulic module or pump motor, whatever you want to call it. So you guys start by undoing the connection here. There's the connection there. It's kind of a big one. It's got a weird 2 tabs on each side. You squish the tabs and pull it up. Pull the plastic piece up while you squish the tabs, and that allows it to like swivel like 90 degrees like this. There you go. Pop it up, and then once it's up, it's free, and then you can wiggle off the whole connector. There you go. That's the whole connector right there. I'm going to take that and push that out of the way so you don't get fluid and stuff on it, hopefully. Maybe the other way. Maybe, yeah, push it this way. Push it that way. Tuck it. Okay. And then after that, you got to undo all these fittings. They're 14 millimeter and 12 millimeter. 6 of them. Okay, that took like 20 minutes of cranking. Oh, not even done yet either. Okay, one last, just the big one, the main one here. Here's a little like booty thing I was talking about, a little rubber grommet. I mean, you gotta press that into the hole, I think, and then you press the thing into it, and that's how she goes together. Press that in, and then now when we put that back in there, it should just slide in there. Alright, now here's the one from our parts car. I really hope it's gonna work. Alright, now here we go. Slide it in. There's a little tip for doing this. Don't push the pump all the way into the holes, because for you to be able to get the threads on properly, you have to kind of adjust the pump a little bit up and down to get the threads attached. Make sure you're not cross-threading them. I just sat there fighting with it for 10 minutes before I decided to take it back out of the feet so I could get a proper thread. Just didn't want to go on there, so. New used ABS pump module, motor thing, whatever. It's all installed. So the next step is going to be clear the codes and go for a drive. Well, actually, no. First, we have to bleed the brakes. Yeah, because we opened all those lines, air got in all those lines, now there'll be air bubbles in the lines now that we close them back up. So, yep. Bleed the brakes, and then clear the codes, then see if we fixed it. Okay. What's up, guys? I'm back at it here. So, yeah, the last thing I got done was the ABS pump. ABS hydraulic module or whatever, so that took care of this. Well, it took care of the code that was originally on there. Now I have another code because it's not synced up yet or whatever. It needs I think it just needs to get scanned by someone with a better scanner than me. So now I'm just going to move on to the driver door hinge and seal. We got the new door hinge here, fresh in the box. The new one, Mopar paths. Oh yeah. Boom. So what I'm actually gonna try and do is replace this hinge. See, look how bad, disgusting it looks. So I'm gonna replace this hinge, hopefully without having to remove the whole door. So we'll see if that'll work or not. Anyways, let's do it. Okay, how am I gonna get this back in here? With luck and skill. Yes! I am amazing! Okay, let's make sure all the shit lines up properly before we tighten it though. You know what I mean? Shit, moment of truth. Oh wow, clothes moves a lot better already. Oh, that's way too close. Yeah, like I said, my gap is hella small. So yeah, we need to move it over a bit. This gap is not looking right. So it worked, but it didn't really work. Yeah, it needs to come out a bit. I mean, I can get it closed, but I don't like it. Let's adjust it a bit, and we'll be back. Okay, after one more adjustment. Oh, hey, look, our gap looks just about normal. And the door closes perfect, and our gap is normal. Yeah, tight. We replaced the hinge without having to take the whole door off. Sick! Tight. Alright, I did something I didn't think I could do. So I guess the last thing now actually is to do the driver door seal. That'll be it for today. New seal. I got this done. So yeah, next time, reassemble front bumper, install fender and liner, install headlight, install bumper, take it for windshield, take for inspection, and we're done. Okay, peace. Perfect.